Hey guys, my name's Mike and welcome to Shop Foreman Garage. At Shop Foreman Garage, we're all about the check engine light. You know that light that shows up on your dash and it won't go away and it keeps glowing and glowing and it pierces the night air and it goes right into your eyeballs, right through your retina. I can feel it in my lobes. I hate it. I hate it. We're gonna address that issue. We're gonna address all kinds of chicken light issues. Chicken light? Check engine light? Chicken light. When was the last time you tangled with a chicken light? We're gonna work on all kinds of electronical issues and non-electronical issues. From electronical power steering, to manual steering, to hydraulic steering, from drivetrains, differentials, front differentials, rear differentials, transmissions, brakes. We're gonna build engines, rebuild engines, install engines, and perform engine swaps. We're gonna build a drag and drive car and a drag racing car. Everything from sunroofs to power windows to audio units, hybrid systems, and yes, electronical vehicles. And we're gonna be pulling vehicles off the fence line, out of the tree row, old forgotten vehicles. We're gonna recover them, get them running again, and back out on the road. And you could be driving one of those vehicles when we're done. That's what you should see here at Shop Foreman Garage. I'm glad you're here. Stick around. We'll see what happens. Oh, when was the last time you tangled with a chicken light? Run her down below in the comments. Let me know. Maybe we can address that too. See ya.